Hello everyone. Today's session we are going to see solutions to book back MCQs in Unit 7 Dual Nature of Radiation and Matter. In photoelectric emission, a radiation whose frequency is 4 times threshold frequency of certain metal is incident on the metal. Then the maximum possible velocity of the emitted electron is asked. The solution is given frequency is 4 times that of the threshold frequency mu naught, and the maximum possible velocity of the emitted electron is asked. So V is equal to question mark. The expression relating the frequency, threshold frequency and the velocity is h mu is equal to h mu naught plus half mv square. This is the Einstein's photoelectric equation. We have the Einstein's photoelectric equation. H mu is equal to h mu naught plus half mv square. So here we need to find what is the velocity we need to find. So we have half mv square is equal to h mu minus h mu naught. Since mu is equal to 4 times mu naught, we substitute that here in this expression here. We have half mv square is equal to h 4 mu naught minus h mu naught. Half mv square is equal to 4 h mu naught minus h mu naught. So here half mv square is equal to, it is 3h mu naught, and hence we have v square is equal to 6h mu naught divided by m. Therefore v is equal to, it is square root of 6h mu naught divided by m. Option B is the correct one. Two radiations with photon energies 0.9 electrovolt and 3.3 electrovolt respectively are falling on the metallic surface successively. If the work function of the metal is 0.6 electrovolt, then the ratio of the maximum speeds of the emitted electron is to be found. Given two energies, photon energy 0.9 electrovolt and 3.3 electrovolt, and the work function of the metal is phi naught is equal to 0.6 electrovolt. The solution is, the Einstein photoelectric equation is h mu is equal to phi naught plus half mv square. From this, half mv square is equal to h mu minus phi naught. So that we can find here the maximum speed v square is equal to, this 2 goes to that side, so it is 2 into h mu minus phi naught divided by m. Hence, the maximum speed could be found by v is equal to square root of 2h mu minus phi naught divided by m. Here, one of the photon has energy 0.9 electrovolt, and the work function of the metal is phi naught is equal to 0.6 electrovolt. Therefore, we can find the velocity to be, we write here v1 is equal to square root of 2 h mu1 minus phi naught divided by m. We are going to substitute the value of this energy as well as that work function here. So we have v1 is equal to square root of 2 into 0.3 divided by m. Similarly, we are going to find the velocity v2. h mu2 is equal to 3.3 electrovolt, and the work function again it is 0.6 electrovolt. Therefore, the velocity v2 is square root of 2 into h mu2 minus phi naught divided by m. We are going to substitute the value of h mu2 here and the work function here. So we may have v2 is equal to square root of 2 into 2.7 divided by m. In the question it is asked the ratio of the maximum speeds of the emitted electron. So we need to find what is v1 divided by v2. Their ratios to be found. Therefore, v1 by v2 is equal to, it is square root of 2 into 0.3 divided by m, the whole divided by square root of 2 into 2.7 divided by m. So V1 by V2 is equal to square root of 2 into 0.3 divided by m into m divided by 2 into 2.7. So we have this m and m will be getting cancelled, and 2 and 2 will be getting cancelled. Remaining will be having here 0.3 divided by 2.7, which will be equal to square root of 3 by 27, that is 1 divided by 9. Thus we have V1 by V2 is equal to, it is square root of 1 by 9 is 1 by 3. Therefore the ratios V1 is to V2 is equal to 1 is to 3. So we have the option B to be the correct one. It is 1 is to 3. Thank you.